I would like to meet you and let our audience to know about your professional life when you came to Qatar, how you started your own professional life, your business. تفضل.
See, I started my career as a salesman in 1980s.
So, MashaAllah. Yes,
after
long
that,
time.
I worked in India. Then I worked for Japanese companies. I supplied all the raw materials all over India. So after that, I got an experience for selling, how to make the product, how to sell the product. All this experience from Japanese people. So I started selling, manufacturing and selling rubber raw materials and rubber products, finished products,
MashaAllah.
all over India. Then slowly,
that time in India.
That time I was in India.
Yes, okay.
So from India, then I started exporting all the raw materials and finished products to different countries. So slowly, in that time, this company, in 2003, this company started by one Mr. Usama Al-Bahu.
Yes, it's our regards for him from ABC Khalijiya, of course. Yes.
Then, Mr. Mubarak Al-Kuwari was the landlord. Then he took over the company. Then he was running the company. Thereafter, I met him. Then I supported him, giving all the raw materials and so many things to this company. Then I visited this company. Then slowly I, start my career with this company also.
Here in Qatar?
In Qatar. I visited 2010. On 2010, this company was, running with a small capacity. Then I developed the company by giving raw materials and added so many machines. With that, the company grew up. Slowly, I started supplying all the materials, products to different people, different companies like Qatar Petroleum, big companies, Qatar Aviations, and all wherever rubber required.
Yes.
I start supplying. So anything and everything in rubber, I can supply. I can manufacture a lot of technical products like made out of different kind of synthetic rubber.
Everything is connecting with rubber.
Everything is connecting with rubber, only rubber.
Yes, mashallah. So, Mr. Nair, can you tell us more about the Qatar rubber industry, about the services more, what you provide to Qatar market and to the world, and tell me about the contract that you made with big companies or outside or inside the country. تفضل.
See, in this country we are manufacturing technical products. Suppose the company is for technical products like machineries. Some machine spare parts with the rubber, if it is not working, the rubber is damaged, we can replace the rubber. Or if it is a spare part with metal and rubber, so we remove the rubber and put the rubber again on the same metal. So you don't have to go for a new product. So spare parts you have to replace with the rubber. So the rubber part only we are restructuring. This is what we are doing now. So like that, we make rubber floorings, rubber synthetic rubber with electrical resistant mats, rubber flooring, rubber fenders. If the rubber fender is damaged, we will replace with the rubber fender. So anything we can give it.
وأقولها بكل فخر أنا قطري أنا قطري خير ومحبة محضاري وأقولها بكل فخر أنا قطري أنا قطري.
What do you think, how you make yourself special and different than other companies? Because if we had looked to the GCC country with Qatar, it will be some competition. So it's not easy to be success in our field if we are not special. So how you make yourself special and different than others?
See, because of my experience, I know how to make a rubber product. I know technically we are from India, and especially from Kerala.
Yeah, you're talking about the trader. Yes.
Not as a trader,
Yeah.
but rubber, natural rubber.
Yes.
Natural rubber, India is the biggest natural rubber manufacturer in the world. So they can, see, so that's why we are specialists in rubber. So we make rubber products, we bring the raw materials from India as well as other countries like Japan, Malaysia, all these places, Sri Lanka. So the raw material we bring from other country, and so then we make the product. We have a special formulation, and we technically qualified from Japanese people.
MashaAllah.
So
Wow.
I was working with a Japanese company. So they give us a good training how to make a product
Yes.
with a special
With a high quality,
high
of course.
quality, yes,
Japanese is high quality. The Japan people is high quality in all of the world.
on the product.
Yeah.
So we make with for example, if you want electrical resistant mat, that's a different formulation. If you want oil resistant, it's a different product. So oil resistant and chemical resistant, abrasion resistant, whatever the product is, according to the product we have to make with the special synthetic rubber.
Yes.
If you are making high heat resistant, like high polymer, white tone, silicone, all this high heat resistant.
Yes.
Then neoprene, chemical resistant. If you go for abrasion resistant, we will go for polybutadiene. So like that, special application, depending upon the application, depending upon the product, we change the formula.
Yes. Bravo. Bravo.
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
So that is the speciality. This technical knowledge which is helping me to make a product and give the right product to the customer.
Yes, bravo, bravo. All of the best for you. From ABC Khalijiya TV, we hope for you to grow more and more and to be in a high level, Mr. Nair. You deserve to be success in your life. Now, as a businessman, what's your plan in the future?
Planning for export our product to other countries. From Qatar, we want our name, our country, we want like to develop. So we want to get more foreign currency in this country. For that
Inshallah.
help.
Inshallah.
So we have to export goods from this country to another country, and we have capacity to produce all the rubber. We have all the raw materials available.
Wow.
I can bring any quantity of material from India or Japan or any other country.
Yes, but here we will stop here, Mr. Nair. I will ask you some question. Actually, I just asking to the businessman here in the invest market, in the Qatar market. Did you face any problem with the, we will not say problem, did you face any issues regarding the exporting something or importing something or something
That's
like
a
that?
good question.
Just
you
tell
asked
me so we can mention it to the highest management here in Qatar. Yes.
See, the problem what we are facing when you import material from other country, we are bringing, there is a raw materials are not available.
Okay.
And it's a special products. When you bring the material from other country, we are facing lot of problems for clearing, clearing problems, then damages, unnecessarily the container is, stopped in the port. For it, this type of problem we are facing, and we are trying to export the goods from this country to another country. The port charges and expenses are too high. When you go to country like UAE, the port charges and
just some small charges.
Small charges only. The ship can come to this country and they can unload the material and ship to another country. So the free port facility is not there in our country. That we have to develop.
leadership here in Qatar, Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani and Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. We will thank them because of their vision from Qatar Rubber Industry and from Mr. Nair as a CEO of the factory. تفضل.
See, we would like to say, I don't know how to say thanks to this Sheikh and government to support us to develop this country and helping us to do the business here very safely and nicely. Always thankful to them.
Of course, and from our side, we will thank our leadership and the President of Qatar. Yes, from Qatar also Rubber Industries. Mr. Nair, before we end our program, just want to take from your side the location. How can we reach and contact Qatar Rubber Industries? تفضل.
See, the location, it's already there in the website. Anybody can reach
the website
here.
as well.
www.qatarrubber.co.
Yes. So my dear,
www.qatarrubber.co.
واقولها بكل فخر انا قطري انا قطري خير ومحبه محضاري واقولها بكل فخر انا قطري انا قطري انا قطري ودايم ديوي قطر غاليه ومحبوباتي يوم الشدايد والوغى مثل الحجر ما نبطاري
أنا قطري ومحبة محضري